Welcome to our guide on setting up professional email with Squarespace and Google Workspace. In today's digital world, having a professional email address is crucial for establishing credibility and trust with your clients and customers. We'll explore how Squarespace integrates seamlessly with Google Workspace to give you a professional email setup. This combination enhances your business communication while keeping your brand consistent. Let's get started with signing up for Google Workspace. Head over to their website and choose a plan that suits your business needs. The next step is to link your Squarespace domain to Google Workspace. This will allow you to utilize your existing domain for your professional email. Now it's time to verify your domain ownership. Google will provide you with a verification code that you'll need to add to your Squarespace settings. Once verified, you can set up your team's email accounts in Google Workspace. It's straightforward. Just follow the prompts to create each account. Next, we need to configure the DNS settings in Squarespace to direct emails to Google Workspace. This involves updating specific records. You might also want to set up email forwarding and aliases to streamline communication. This way, you can manage multiple identities under a single inbox. Finally, you can access your email from anywhere using Google Workspace on any device. Stay connected on the go. In conclusion, having a professional email is essential for any business. Remember to manage your email well and keep your communications organized.